there and welcome to Learn With Us How To. Today we are having something that everyone is going to do it actually who have Alfajr clock, Azan clock. So basically due to the daylight saving which happened last Sunday, 2 days ago. So I haven't changed my clock yet to daylight saving. So it has to be 8:18, not 9:18. So to change the daylight savings, so it has to be during winter, you have to press on this for 2 or 3 seconds. Good, it changed. Now in summer, if you want to change it back, so you just need to click this button for a few seconds. That's it. So easy. Thank you guys for watching, and let me just put it back to winter because it's already winter. Thank you guys for watching, and please comment if you have any ideas, if things that if I didn't do it rightly, or if you have any. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment, and please always follow our regular videos about Learn With Us How To. I hope it's really helpful to you guys. And by the way, we have another channel for those who speak Arabic. It's called تعلم معنا كيف. Thank you guys for watching and have a good day.